Social media changes faster than we blink. And right now, TikTok's new algorithm update is all anyone is talking about. For creators, marketers, and businesses, this update literally decides who gets seen and who gets buried. But here's the fun part. While everyone else is stressing to keep up, AI blogging makes it ridiculously easy to explain these trends to your audience even fast. Let me show you how. Do you see this full article on TikTok's algorithm? It was ready in under 3 minutes and I did not spend hours researching or typing it. It's SEO optimized, structured with images, infographics, and even FAQs added at the bottom of your blog with a relevant YouTube video. And let me show you how I did this using autoblogging.ai. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard. It walks me through every option step by step so nothing gets missed. Article title. I'm typing here the tick algorithm update everyone's talking about. Alright. Next. For the language, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 languages. This means you can create blog in Spanish, French, Hindi, and more, depending on your audience. Next, for the length, I'm picking medium since I want to explain this update clearly, but also give tips. But here's what others do. Short is like a quick read and long is for an in-depth content guide. Next, this decides the structure of your blog. I'll pick informative because we are breaking down how TikTok's new algorithm works. But here's what other formats do. Listicle, this creates a numbered layouts like 5 tips or 10 strategies, very easy to scan. Places, this is built for a location-based article. If your topic is about a specific city, country, or region, this format structures it around the place. And service bar landing pages is designed for businesses with sections for features, benefits, and call to actions. Next, point of view. I'm going to stick with second person so the blog speaks directly to the reader, but you can also go with first person if you're writing your personal experience or your own perspective, and third person if you want a neutral and a formal style. Next, writing style. I'm going to choose auto here, which adapts based on the topic and the tone, but here's what others do. Less AI words makes the writing sounds more natural. Premium style 1 builds better SEO formatting. Snippet optimizer helps you rank in Google featured snippets. And conversational is more friendly approach. Witty is more playful and adds a casual vibe. And professional is polished and formal. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Alright, Intents optimize article structures the blog for SEO with stronger headings and keyword placement. FAQs will pull in real search question people are asking about TikTok and answer them inside your blog. AI images will generate visuals that match your topic and inserts them with proper alt text. And infographics creates a quick visuals like charts or breakdowns for to summarize information. Next, SERP Analysis. Now this is where Autoblogging really shines. It scans the top ranking blogs on Google for your topic, studies how they are structured with which keywords they use, and then build your blog using those proven patterns. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a note here of how you want your article to be. And in the SERP location, you can also select the country where you want to rank first. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition copies the layout of high ranking articles. External link will automatically add reference to trusted sources like official blogs or industry reports. YouTube video will add a relevant video inside the blog for more engagement, and key takeaways will add a summary box at the end so skimmers and the search engine gets the highlights quickly. Next, AI proofreading. This automatically checks grammar, readability, and tone, so you don't need to edit anything manually. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a note here. Next, internal linking. Now if you've published other blogs, say Instagram growth tips or YouTube ad strategies, just add your website domain here, like enable this and add your website domain here. Autoblogging will link them inside this article where relevant. That keeps reader on your site longer and also boost SEO. Next, human proofreading. Now if you want a real person to double check the tone or the facts, just enable this and quickly leave a note here. For this, you'll require a human proofreading credits, which you can buy anytime from your dashboard. Now just hit on generate article. Click on the history tab, scroll down and wait for the view like icon here, click on that. and your full TikTok blog is ready, structured, optimized with headlines and infographics, images added. If you want to be faster next time, just go to quick and single and just type in your blog title here, and with a fewer clicks you can generate article. It is just as same as wizard. And if you want to upload multiple title at once, let's say if you want to create 10, 20 or even 100 blogs at once, you can use a bulk generate option, and Autoblogging will generate all of them and even auto post them to WordPress. TikTok's algorithm may keep evolving, but with autoblogging.ai, explaining it to your audience doesn't take hours anymore. Full blog, SEO ready, structured, visuals included in under 3 minutes. And if you're too busy running a campaign, just try a done for you blog service. Just give us the topic and we'll handle everything. If this tutorial helped, hit a like, subscribe and drop a comment telling me which social media trend you want to blog on next.